In this video, we will learn how OSPF version 3 is configured in IPv6, and in this topology, IP addresses are pre-configured. Now moving to the configuration part of OSPF version 3, we will start from router 1, and first we will move to the configuration mode. Now to enable OSPF version 3, we will use IPv6 router OSPF100. Then enter. Now it will give a message that OSPF version 3 could not pick a router ID, so we have to configure it manually, and for this we will use router ID and we will give here 1.1.1.1, then enter. Now we have to no shut OSPF version 3 in IPv6, so no shut, then enter. Then interface serial 0 by 0 in which we want to enable OSPF version 3. Then IPv6 OSPF100, then its area, that is 0, then enter, then exit. Now we will move to router 2. Now moving to the configuration mode, then enable OSPF version 3 by using IPv6 router OSPF100, then router ID, and we will give here 2.2.2.2, then enter. Then no shut, then interface serial 0 by 0, then enable OSPF on this interface by using IPv6 OSPF100, then its area, that is 0, then enter. Then interface serial 0 by 1, then IPv6 OSPF100 area 1, then enter, then exit. Now we will move to router 3. Then moving to the configuration mode, then IPv6 router OSPF100, then router ID, and we will give her 3.3.3.3, then enter, then no shut, then interface serial 0 by 0, then IPv6 OSPF100, then its area, that is 1, then enter. Now OSPF version 3 have been configured on all the. And now moving to the verification commands. The first verification command is show IPv6 protocols to verify the protocol running on IPv6. So here the IPv6 routing protocol is OSPF100 and the interface serial 0 by 0 of router 1 is in area 0. Now the next command is show IPv6 OSPF neighbor to verify the neighborship, and we will see here that its neighbor 2.2.2.2, which is the router ID of router 2, has a full neighborship with router 1. Similarly, we will verify the neighborship of router 2 with router 1 and router 3 by using same command show IPv6 OSPF neighbor, and we will see here that router 2 has full neighborship with its neighbor 1.1.1.1, which is the router ID of router 1, and it has full neighborship with 3.3.3.3, which is the router ID of router 3. Similarly, we will verify the neighborship of router 3 with router 2. Show IPv6 OSPF neighbor, and you will see here that router 3 has a full neighborship with its neighbor 2.2.2.2, that is the router ID of router 2. So this is how OSPF version 3 is configured and verified in IPv6.